Welcome back to everybody around the world. These are the highlights from the first innings. Diana Bay came in for her third one-day international, first one of this World Cup, and got immediate impact. This pitch has been used before. Couple snuck through. That was a huge wicket of Mitali Raj, and I say that because Sana Mir DRS referrals have gone their way on 2 occasions. This was the second one. Nawaz was keen and she got it as well. Just as they got settled, Harmanpreet Kaur fell to a sharp catch by Sana Mir, and the wickets keep falling. Sadia Yusuf bowled her left arm orthodox spin with so much success. 2 for 32 and kept the runs down as well.
And exceptional field placements as well, right through the innings. The captaincy was exceptional, different, and that's one instance of them just diving around, putting their body on the line. A few run-outs, a few slogs created because of that kind of fielding.